very exciting starting up a new company. You know, we've dipped into our DNA in robotics and drives, which has been a centre stone of robotics for the last 15 years. The mobile automation sector is the fastest growing sector in automation today. The AIV and AGV industry is growing so fast because of the return of investment potential in these applications. Aryze is the home of mobile automation in Europe. We've developed this company to provide for those solutions in that sector of automation. And automation is the way of the future in terms of factories and manufacturing processes. If you're bringing raw material from a warehouse area to the start of a production line, you know, there's no value being added to that material, but yet you still have to pay for the delivery of that material. These advanced AIVs and AGVs use that autonomous technology to automatically transport goods from A to B in any industry, in any environment. We've developed this company to provide for those solutions in that sector of automation. We're building this company, this foundation, because we know we have a lot to offer. We know we can deliver for this market. We have the expertise to do so. We want to be the one-stop shop for mobile automation. We want our customers to be able to come to us and we deliver a solution that best fits their requirements and not just focus on one particular product. We have the vision. We're embarking on this journey of technological discovery and we'd like for you to join us.